Okay, my name is Sam Clark. I'm an online marketer and digital marketing expert, and I'm going to be showcasing one of the tools in our club today. It's called VideoFX Pro, and what it does, it makes really cool looking videos. And I'm going to pull one out. So I'm inside the software. I selected YouTube, went and grabbed one of the top 10 plays, and we're going to look at this real quick. So it pulls in videos from YouTube that I want, and I want to grab a clip out of this video that I want to utilize. And 109, 69 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to grab at 69 seconds to 74, choose this video, and it's going to pull that section out for me, and then we're going to play around with the effects on it, make some effects on this video. You know, video marketing is so big today. You have to be creating video to get some attention, and there's new tools that are coming out in our club all the time, and this one's a kind of a neat one that adds a new twist on things. So here's the clip, and I'm going to take it and click on mask, and I'm going to increase the size. And I think it was mainly in this area that I want. So I'm going to block that area out. And it's only going to animate the area that I selected. Okay, close. I want a little bit higher, a little further out, a little bit higher up. Just a hair, so we'll make it a little bit further out. Good enough. Let's animate. Turn off the mask. Animate. Let's look at it again. Here he comes. Here comes the block. Boom! Nice. Okay, so you see what this has done. The rest of the video and the clip is going to be a still image. So now you've got some eye candy. You've got a nice still image, but you've also got this moving aspect to it. Now I can add some filters to that. I can turn it black and white, which I'm going to sepia, black and white. You get all sorts of choices over here. We'll try that one. It's going to take a second to render that. And you can see now what it's done. How cool is that? Instantly did that. Okay, next you can add text. And I'm just going to say, whoa, what a block. And I'm going to make that bigger. You have all the fonts you could ever want are down here. I'm going to make it just Arial black for now. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it, let's go blue. And let's move that up here. And make it a hair bit smaller. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Like that. Okay, you can add effects to this. And elements. The elements, you get all the buttons you could ever want. We're adding the buttons on there. And call outs. We got all these call outs in here. But I'm going to add an animation for now. Illustrations, cutouts. What are the cutouts? I forget what those are. Oh yeah, those are like transparent images you can put in here. Let's see if we can find one for the fun of it. Oh, what do we got? We got so many in here. It's ridiculous. There's tons of them in here. I'm going to take him. So this gives you the ability to really create some interesting components to videos and pull in videos from wherever you want on YouTube based on key phrases. And let's pause this just for a second. All right, so I'm going to pull this guy in here. It's kind of cool. I'm going to kind of get rid of the... Put him over there like that. And what else? Should we do anything else? Let's do one animation. So I'm going to go back to elements. And click on animation. Guys, see how easy this is? Anybody can do this. You can make the coolest looking stuff. Alright, let's put in what? Shrink that up a little bit. I want them to cover up the animation, so let's see if we can animate this. Oh, that's not bad. Let me shrink that a little bit. Get it out of the picture a little bit. Okay, let's click on render. I'm going to render that out. So you can see this is just one of the software tools we have in the club, but this is one I'm having a lot of fun with, guys. You'll have fun making it too. So here's the video. How cool is that? How cool is that? You can combine these and do different things. There's all sorts of stuff you could do with this. This will catch people's eyes, so no matter what business you're into, what business you're doing, so I'm going to download that. You've got something really, really, really cool here, guys. And it's just one tool of like 190. This is called VideoFX Pro, and it came out, I don't know, about a month or so ago. Here it is. Boom! Can't see the whole thing because I've got the video a little smaller here. But anyway, you get the idea. Let me see if I can make it so it fits in the screen all right. You guys can see the finished product. There. Where's the bottom of this? Right there. Okay. Look how awesome that looks, guys. You tell me that's not going to catch people's eyes? Of course it is. And that's what we're vying for. When you're building a business online, the whole idea is you're trying to draw eyeballs. Okay, this draws eyeballs. This gets people to look at it. You know, and then you can have a link to, and this is just basketball, but it doesn't matter whatever you're doing. You can create little short little blips. And the idea is to get them their attention. Everybody's attention span is like a half a second. So now you got something to create their attention span. I mean, this is awesome. This is awesome. It catches people's eyes and they want to watch it. They want to watch it and they're like, wow, that is cool. So, you know, that's what you want, engagement. And this is how you're going to get it. You got to stand out. And this is just one tool, guys, of 190 that's in our club. Okay? Pull this up a little bit so I can pull this in. Shrink this up a little bit. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay. So this is just one of 190 software tools that are in the club. Let's see if we can find the where that just came out. We can go to the sales page real quick and see how much they were charging for that puppy. And we have the upgraded Pro version too. Just came out in October of 2019. So, and we, you know, this is just one. Can you imagine how you've got 190 video, and I think there's about 35 to 40 video tools in here. I don't even know what this went for. We'll just scroll down and find out. Okay, $29.95 today. Get 20 off. And let's see what the one-time offer was for that. The upgrade on that was VideoFX Pro OTO. This is the upgraded version. A little bigger library, which we got. Another 49 bucks. So, you know, there's $70 right there that you don't have to pay. Okay, we've already got it. It's in the club. That's the idea of being involved in this club. Everything is in here. You never have to worry about buying stuff ever again. Okay, all the tools you could ever use, no matter what you're trying to do, are in here. VidScratch was just released. This is a cool scratch thing on your phone. People love games. You can add games now to your offers where people are going to scratch and win. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on, guys. Click on the link, go to the site, sign up to get a member of the club. It's going to be the best decision you've ever made, and you'll get access to VideoFX as one tool where you'll be able to make really cool videos like this. Just awesome. And literally in minutes. I mean, we did that in just like whatever.